Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from the price though, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 355. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 355, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down at $3.20. So 355, 322, the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture perspective, if you're sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. So how do you gauge the health of that? Again, just watch that purple line. As the line itself moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays up above it, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, there seems to be some sellers hanging up right around the $4 mark. Yeah, I realize the price did technically get up above it, but on a couple other occasions didn't quite hit that level. So I'm just trying to split the difference, and we'll use that round number there at $4. So $4 public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, as long as the price starts building higher bases, then in the longer time frame, the chart is just going to get that much healthier over time. So great day today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.